My name's Dan Varcoe. I started out in optics about 10 years ago now. I studied to be a DO first, did a little bit of management for Vision Express, and then I went on to study optometry in Bradford, and I'm currently managing a Boots opticians practice in Falmouth. It's a brand new practice we opened in June last year. I'm a practice manager, so on a daily basis that could mean that I'm running and managing the practice, briefing the teams, I'm involved in recruitment, I'm involved in a bit of staff training, but also I'm the main optometrist, so I'm testing 4 or 5 days every week. When we walked through the doors, there was a practice then. It had shelves but no glasses. It had all the rooms were built but there was no equipment in there. So day one we walked in and there were lots and lots of deliveries and various people turning up, and we were unpacking what was there and putting it where it needed to be, set up the office, set up the testing rooms. Obviously people came and installed all of our equipment and checked that that was working for us. So everything was done within about a week, from rooms and walls and nothing else to a practice that we could open and see the public. At times we'd finished doing what we were doing and other people were working around the shop for us installing things, so we couldn't do much. So we were sat on boxes on the floor just talking about lenses and products and things like that, because we had to make use of the time that we had. When we first opened, footfall was pretty good. People were very interested in what was going on, and then a little while after that it kind of dropped off because it wasn't so interesting and new anymore. So we've been lucky that Boots have got other practices locally but not too close, that actually patients in the area wanted to come to us because it was more convenient to them. I suppose we have found that quite a lot of it has come through recommendations actually, which has been great. You know, our patients are out there and they're recommending us. We've had a few sort of saying, this person suggested I should come in, and my mum came in, so I've come down to see you now, and those kind of things. To be a little bit more organised, because I probably wasn't, and that's just me, but also to kind of have a plan, but also to try and book some patients in. Find some patients, whether that be through a phone number on the window or something like that, so that patients can contact you, because we had a couple, but we didn't have loads, so we were almost waiting for people to walk through the doors. I think if we were able to book patients in, it would just make things flow that little bit better. No one would be looking for something to do, sort of thing, once we'd got the shop ready and waiting. But also get out there and engage with the other local businesses. One thing I did is made sure I popped around to all the other local opticians just to make sure that, just say hi, be nice and friendly, those kind of things. I knew one of them before, but I've got to know the others reasonably well since we've opened.